How to install and set up really simple SSL in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you are already logged into the WordPress admin panel with Admin User. This tutorial assumes that you have installed an SSL certificate on your domain. Now let's learn how to install and set up really simple SSL plugin in WordPress. Really Simple SSL plugin automatically detects your SSL certificate and configures non-secured items of your website to run with SSL. Point the mouse on Plugins and click on the Add New menu. In the Search Plugins window, search for Really Simple SSL. We have searched the plugin here. Now, click on the Install Now button. That's it! You have successfully installed the Really Simple SSL plugin. Click on the Activate button in order to activate the plugin. The Really Simple SSL plugin is activated now. Now let's set up and configure the plugin. Click on the Settings option. The Really Simple SSL plugin has detected the installed SSL certificate. Go ahead and hit the Go Ahead Activate SSL button. You have successfully activated and configured the plugin. You can now browse your WordPress website with SSL certificate, i.e., with HTTPS. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and set up Really Simple SSL plugin in WordPress.